Computer numerical control has been applicable to production for more than 50 years and still supports almost all branches of manufacturing. Computer numerical control, known as by its acronyms CNC, supports conventional material removal processes such as turning and milling, as well as non-conventional machining processes such as electrodischarge machining and abrasive water jet cutting. CNC technology integrates also manufacturing processes based on forming, like bending with CNC press brakes, rolling, and deep drawing. Last but no way in the list, CNC technology is found to metrology, robotics and automation, and additive manufacturing. The wide range of applications related to CNC technology is due to the high productivity and precision. The hardware of modern CNC machine tools in relation to cutting-edge control units are now capable of providing functionality, precision, repeatability, and large-scale data processing. CNC technology enables the operator to easily communicate with a machine tool through programming using dedicated functions and standard routines. The CNC control unit accompanying the machine tool plays the role of the communication channel between the operator and the machine. CNC technology is facilitated with the use of computer-aided environments like computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. Some of the benefits of computer numerical control are enlisted as follows. Capability of producing parts comprising complex features with a simultaneous increase of productivity and high precision, referring not only to dimensions but to geometrical and form tolerances as well. This is achieved owing to the simultaneous motion of the machining axis. Reduction of scrap owing to automated technology. When it comes to CNC technology, operators are mostly responsible for setting up the job and ensure that the CNC program is error-free and productive. Thus, operators do not involve or interfere during the manufacturing process. In conventional machine tools, operators are fully responsible to produce products that will meet the manufacturing requirements, therefore a large amount of scrap might occur owing to the tedious human intervention that is prone to manufacturing or setup errors. Reduction of idle time such as tool change, part setup and orientation, and rapid traverse. Idle time is dramatically reduced owing to automation that CNC technology embeds. Facilitation in programming and control owing to the CNC unit that integrates the machine tool or an equivalent hardware such as a computer acting as the workstation for that machine. Work safety owing to the fully automated production with the CNC technology. The operator keeps distance from the working area and is not involved in production process. The operational area is a closed cabinet fully protected by the sheet metal structure and the plexiglass door, as opposed to conventional machine tools where the operator is fully exposed and executes the necessary manufacturing activities. The drawbacks of implementing the CNC technology are higher costs and investment and experienced personnel needed. Depending on the machine tool configuration and potentials, a CNC machine tool may reach 5 times the cost of a typical conventional machine. However, depreciation of the cost is achieved in shorter time owing to the productivity rate of CNC machine tools. Experienced personnel needed for CNC machine tools because they require rather specialized personnel to be able to program them and conduct the necessary maintenance if applicable. However, an expert on manufacturing technology or an experienced machinist may rapidly switch from conventional production to the fully automated one using CNC technology if knowledge on CNC programming is to be acquired. In general, any kind of CNC machine tool typically supports the following features. The machining axis where, depending on the technology and kinematics, they can be linear or rotational, whilst they can perform combined linear and rotational motions. Each of the machining axes may be examined independently as a kinematical system or as a motion transmission system where several measuring parameters are involved, such as position, velocity, and acceleration. The CNC machine control unit, or simply the CNC controller, which is an electronic system combining microprocessors, random access memory, several integrated circuits for data processing, and power electronics for controlling the machining axis. The software that constitutes the infrastructure involving the machine tool parameters, the programming environment, standard commands for machining strategies, programming facilitation routines such as loops or subprograms, functions for indicating the system's current state, fault diagnostics and other related modules. A variety of peripherals and hardware accessories for inserting CNC programs to the machine control unit, machine monitoring, data processing, and production control.